Today, we're going to draw and introduce 6 magical Disney princesses together. Hello, little artists! Today, we are going to meet our first princess, Snow White. Snow White is known for her kind heart, gentle smile, and beautiful black hair. She lives in a magical forest and has some very special friends, 7 little dwarfs who love to help her and make her smile. As we draw Snow White with simple lines, look carefully at her face and her lovely hairstyle. You don't need to make every line perfect. Just take your time, follow the shapes, and enjoy the drawing. Snow White teaches us that being kind and caring can make the world a happier place. So while you are drawing, imagine a beautiful forest filled with flowers, birds, and friendly little animals. Are you ready? Let's finish our first princess together. Great job, little artists! Snow White looks wonderful! Now, let's travel to the magical city of Agrabah and meet Princess Jasmine. Jasmine is brave, curious, and independent. She loves adventure and wants to make her own choices. She also has a very special friend, a magical tiger named Raja. As we draw Jasmine, take a look at her long, beautiful hair and her elegant outfit. Use smooth, simple lines and try to capture her confident expression. Jasmine teaches us something very important. We should believe in ourselves and have the courage to follow our dreams. Sometimes being brave means speaking up and choosing what is right for us. While you are drawing, imagine flying through the night sky on a magic carpet with sparkling stars all around you. And now, let's add the final details. Amazing! Our beautiful Princess Jasmine is ready for her magical adventure. Our next princess is Aurora, the beautiful Sleeping Beauty. Aurora is known for her graceful appearance, her lovely golden hair, and her beautiful pink dress. As we draw her face and hair using simple lines, let's imagine a magical castle surrounded by a peaceful forest. Aurora loves nature, and she has a special connection with the animals and birds around her. Aurora's story is full of magic, dreams, and adventure. Even though she spends a long time sleeping, her story reminds us that good things can happen when we have hope and believe in magic. So, take a deep breath, relax your hand, and follow each line carefully. Remember, drawing is not about being perfect. It's about having fun and using your imagination. Wonderful! Our Sleeping Beauty is coming to life. Great work, everyone. Are you ready to dive under the sea? Because our next princess is Ariel. Ariel is a curious and adventurous mermaid who loves discovering new things. She dreams of exploring the world beyond the ocean and meeting new people. As we draw Ariel, let's imagine a colorful underwater world filled with coral, bubbles, little fish, and beautiful seashells. Pay attention to her flowing hair and her bright, cheerful expression. Ariel reminds us that curiosity can lead us to exciting adventures. It's wonderful to ask questions, explore new ideas, and learn about the world around us. So, keep your pencil moving gently and follow each line one step at a time. Don't rush. Enjoy watching your drawing grow. And there she is! Ariel is ready to swim into her next adventure. Fantastic job, little artists! Now it's time to meet Cinderella. Cinderella is one of the most famous princesses in the world. She is gentle, hopeful, and never gives up, even when life becomes difficult. As we draw Cinderella with simple lines, let's pay attention to her beautiful hair, her sweet expression, and the elegant shape of her dress. You can imagine that we are getting ready for a magical royal ball. And of course, we cannot forget her famous glass slipper. The story of Cinderella reminds us that dreams can come true when we keep believing and stay kind. While you are drawing, don't worry if your picture looks a little different from mine. Every artist has their own special style, and that's what makes every drawing unique. Keep going, little artists. Add the final lines, and there she is, our beautiful Cinderella. And now, our final princess is Belle. Belle is kind, intelligent, and loves reading books. She enjoys learning new things and believes that true beauty comes from the heart. She is also very brave and caring, especially when someone needs her help. As we draw Belle, notice her beautiful hair, her gentle expression, and her famous golden dress. Imagine a magical castle, a ballroom filled with sparkling lights and hundreds of enchanted roses. Belle teaches us that we should never judge someone only by how they look. What really matters is kindness, courage, and the goodness inside our hearts. Take your time with the final lines and details. You have done an amazing job throughout this drawing adventure. And here she is, Belle, our final princess. We drew 6 wonderful princesses together. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun with your art. See you in the next drawing adventure, little artists. Great job, little artists. Keep drawing, keep creating, and I'll see you in our next magical adventure.